I have monetized 2 channels before in my automation career, and at the step 3 when they have to verify from the YouTube team, it takes usually like half a day or 1 day for me to get monetized. But this channel has been going on for 3 days now, so I'm a little bit worried that there's a kind of with AI thing that I cloned Michael's voice, but I'm not sure.
Yeah,
hopefully not.
It's very strange. Like sometimes it takes 1 or 2 days, and the longest it took me for one channel was like 12 or 13 days. So
yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
and then you see the views go up, and you'll be like, fuck, I'm missing out on cash right now.
Yeah, the worst is like if you have a new channel and it's going viral, and then you are waiting for the review process to go through. That's the worst feeling.
Yeah, I think I got overnight tonight. One video got like 200K views.
200,000.
So like, something.
So that could have been like $1,000.
Yeah, exactly. And that 8-minute video, and posted 4 videos on this, so it sucks.
But it sucks, but still, like, be happy that you have a channel that is less than a month old that is getting 200,000 views on one video already. If this shows like this good of attraction and momentum, you probably don't have to worry about being monetized a couple days later, because
that's true.
Yeah, it's probably still gonna be there in a couple of days and weeks once you do get monetized.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
I hope so. Thank you, Casper.
All right, good luck, man. And I hope that it gets. I think, Isaac, that it's probably like after the weekend, because usually your channels don't get it in the weekend. It's probably gonna be like Monday morning or afternoon. I don't know if that's true, but I've seen it happen often where I would ask for monetization like on Friday or Thursday, Friday, and then would like straight after the weekend get monetized.